In this video, you will learn how to swap USDT to Solana on Bitget. Log into your Bitget account, open the Bitget app or website and sign in with your credentials to access your account dashboard. Deposit or ensure you have enough USDT balance. Make sure you have USDT in your spot wallet. If not, deposit or buy USDT first. Navigate to the spot trading or swap interface. Click on the trade or spot, then select convert or swap to access the token list directly. Select the trading pair USDT SOL. In the market drop down or search bar, find the USDT SOL pair trade from USDT into Solana. Enter how much USDT you want to swap. Input the amount of USDT you wish to exchange for Solana and preview the estimated amount of Solana you will receive, including fees. Confirm the swap and check your wallet. Review all details and confirm the swap. Once the trade executes, you will see a newly acquired Solana in your spot wallet on Bitget. Now you know how to swap USDT to Solana on Bitget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.